So, a few months ago, I filmed one of the most chaotic but exciting moments in my life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be like a chill one, just like chill, not too much seriousness, very chill. A few months ago, I filmed one of the most chaotic but exciting moments in my life, unpacking into this apartment or this flat here in the UK. At the time, I was just fresh out of the plane. It had been like hours of traveling and a lot of stress and anxiety. So I didn't even have the time to sit down and make any intro video, whatever. But yeah, I did film it, of course. For some reason, I find it a bit satisfying, especially with how it's been fast forwarded and like the speed, like just going to watch me unpack it. Insanely robotic speed, kind of chaotic like this intro, and enjoy. And as usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, put on that notification bell thingy, and then share, please.